Edge computing. Edge computing is a distributed computing paradigm that brings computation and data storage closer to the location where it is needed, rather than relying on a centralized data center or cloud environment. The concept behind edge computing is to process data and perform computations as close as possible to the source of data generation, which could be a sensor, device, or any other IoT, Internet of Things endpoint. In traditional cloud computing, data is sent from the edge devices to a central data center, where it is processed and then the results are sent back. This approach can introduce latency and consume significant network bandwidth, especially in applications that require real-time or near real-time processing. Edge computing addresses these issues by processing the data locally at the edge of the network, which reduces the distance data needs to travel and improves response times. Key characteristics and benefits of edge computing include 1. Low latency. Edge computing reduces the time it takes for data to travel between devices and the central data center, leading to lower latency and faster response times. This is crucial for applications like autonomous vehicles, industrial automation, and augmented reality. 2. Bandwidth optimization. By processing data locally, only relevant or pre-processed information is sent to the central cloud, reducing the amount of data that needs to be transmitted over the network. This helps optimize bandwidth usage. 3. Enhanced security. Since data processing occurs locally, sensitive data can be kept within the local network, reducing the risk of data breaches and unauthorized access. 4. Offline operation. Edge computing enables devices to operate even without a constant internet connection, as they can perform essential processing tasks locally. 5. Scalability. Edge computing allows for distributed processing and storage, making it easier to scale the system as the number of edge devices increases. 6. Real-time insights. Applications that require real-time data analysis, such as predictive maintenance in industrial settings, can benefit from edge computing's ability to provide instant insights. 7. Reduced cloud dependency. Not all data needs to be sent to the cloud for processing, which can reduce the operational costs associated with cloud services. Edge computing is especially valuable in scenarios with limited or intermittent connectivity, such as remote industrial facilities, remote monitoring, or smart cities. However, it is not intended to replace cloud computing entirely. Instead, edge and cloud computing are often used together in a complementary manner, forming a hybrid architecture that leverages the strengths of both approaches to meet various application requirements efficiently.